The taboo of periods is actually something very personal to me.
Welcome. Not only are you talented and brilliant at what you do, you're so beautiful. I love that. 30,000 feet high, couldn't stop us. There's no way periods would. Of course you're unstoppable. Welcome, Pariniti.
Thank you.
You are sharing the stage today with some absolutely amazing women. These twins have scaled Mount Everest. We have a commercial pilot here who's clocked thousands of hours up in the sky, and we have the first Indian professional surfer.
They're not inspiring people, they're very scary people actually. Because we've not achieved even 1% of what they've achieved. I just actually want to shake your hand. Really, it's such an honor to meet you guys. Wow. You're twins? Wow. How nice to meet you.
So now that all these beautiful role models are sharing the stage, I'm going to ask you to do something together. We have this checklist of period taboos. You can't touch the pickle, you can't enter the kitchen, you can't wear white clothes, you can't buy the sanitary napkin pack without newspaper. Now, how about all of you convert all of these can'ts into cans? Would you like to do
definitely.
Come, step forward and all of you do it together. We'll have a marker coming to you and you can cross out the can'ts and convert them into cans. Because so many young women look up to you and they'd love to see you do this. They'll follow suit. Okay, would love to know your thoughts on this wonderful initiative by Whisper. Like I said, we're actually whispering out loud. We're talking about it in a room full of men and women. This has normally been a taboo topic, and there are so many taboos, right? So what are your thoughts, firstly, on this initiative by Whisper?
The taboo of periods is actually something very personal to me. Apart from the fact that I'm a girl, I also come from North India, where these taboos are so prevalent. Right from my dadi in my own house, to, friends, to other gentlemen. Everything that I would do was wrong if I was having my periods. And it was ridiculous because I would always say, I don't have some contagious disease. Why are you treating me like this? Right from touching the pickle, literally I used to see this happen in my own house because my old-fashioned dadi would say, please don't touch the pickle. Other things like, going to a store and, then it would be very secretive and they would say, Madam, aap kone mein aao. And then kone mein jaake you have to buy the sanitary napkins and they'll cover it and it's a hush-hush affair. And I'm just like, why? I don't understand. Like, I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm not ill. What is up with you guys? So I think it's so important that now, through films, through events like this, we are talking about sex, we're talking about periods, which is not something wrong. There are other bad things in the world that we need to solve. This is not one of them. So I feel very proud that I was invited for this event, and I have been chosen to speak about it, and I will do it for as long as I live. Really, it's high time that men and women are, treat this as a taboo, because it really isn't.